Assalamu alaikum. Let's practice A to Z sounds with action. Okay? A, 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 A. Drop down your chin and say A, A, A. And the action is A, A. Ants in my arm, A, A. Ants in my arm, A, A. Ants in my arm, A, A. B, B. B, 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 B. Bring your bat and bring your ball, B, B. This is your bat and you have hit the ball, B, B, B. Next we have C, K, C, K, C, K, K, K. We are clicking castanets. Castanet is an instrument, okay? K, K. Clicking castanets. K, K, K. D, 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 D. You have to beat a drum, okay? See me play on the drum, da 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 da, da 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 da. See me play on the drum, da 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 da, da 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 da. Okay? Next we have E, A, E, A, E, A, A. You have to crack the egg like this, A. You are cracking an egg, okay? A, A, A. Eggs in the pan, A, A, A. Eggs in the pan, A, 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 A. Next we have F, 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 F. Floating fish, F, F, F. You have to make a fish with your hand and say F, F. Next we have G, 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 G. And the action is you have to make a drain with your hand like this, drain, and the water gurgles, gurgles. The water gurgles down the drain, g g g g g g g g g g g. Next we have H, 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 H. You have to hop like this. You have to put your hands here and say hop, hop. I like to hop, 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 up and down. जैसे हमारी सांस फूल जाती है and we say I, A, I, A. शॉर्ट सा हम कहेंगे A, A, A. ए, इसको हमने ई नहीं बनाना, इट्स ए, 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 इंकी, ए, इंकी, ए, ए, ए. इंकी क्या कर रही है? इंकी को यहाँ पे इंक लग गई है और वो ए, 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 ए. इंकी द माउस इज माई पेट, इंकी द माउस इज माई पेट, ए, 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 ए. Next we have jelly and jam. J, 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 J. We have jelly and jam. Jelly and jam, jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. J, 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 J. Next we have K, 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 K. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K. You have to pretend that you are flying a kite. K, 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 K. Next we have L, 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 L. You have a lollipop and you have licked the lollipop. L, L. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. L, L. We lick a lollipop. L. M, M, mm, M, mm, mm, mm. When you see a yummy food تو آپ کیا کرتے ہیں؟ پیٹ پہ ایسے طرح سے اپنے ہاتھ گھمانا ہے. Mom and dad make many meals. Mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. N, 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 N. آپ کے ناک میں سے آواز آنی چاہیے. اور آپ نے ایروپلین بننا ہے دونوں ہاتھوں کو ایسے کھول کے. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Next we have O, 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 O. You are switching off and on the light. O, 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 O. We have P, P, P. You have a cake اور کیک کے اوپر کینڈلز ہیں and you have puff out the candles. اور یہ آپ کی کینڈلز بنیں گی. Puff out the candle on the pink cake. یہ آپ کے ہینڈس کی کینڈل بنی ہوئی ہے and you are pretending to puff out the candles. P, P ہمارا ساؤنڈ ہو گیا. Next we have Q, 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 Q. The ducks are quacking. Quack, 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 quack. Q, quack, quack, quack. Then we have R, 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 R. The dog is ripping the rag. The dog is ripping the rag like this. R, R. See my puppy rip the rag. R, R. R کے بعد ہمارے پاس آتا ہے S. S, 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 S. Snake is in the grass. 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 S, S. Snake is in the grass. Next we have T, 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 T. When you watch a tennis match, your head goes back and forth. When I watch the tennis match, t, 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 t. When I watch the tennis match, my head goes back and forth. My head goes back and forth. T, t, t. Next we have U, 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 and the action is you are opening the umbrella. Up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella, when it starts to rain, you are opening an umbrella. V, 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 V. You are driving a van. V, V, V. Driving the van. V, 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 V. Next we have W, 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 W. The wind is blowing and you are doing W, 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 W. The wind is blowing and you are doing like this. W, 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 W. Next we have X, 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 X. Take an X-ray, X, X. Take an X-ray, X, X. Take an X-ray, X, X. X-ray of my hand, X, X, X. Next we have Y, Y. Y, Y. I like to eat yogurt and banana. Y, Y, Y. You are eating yogurt with a spoon. Y, Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Y, Y, Y. And the last letter is Z, Z. Z, Z. You are a bee and you are doing Z, Z. Do you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Zzz. You are a bee and you are buzzing. Zzz, zzz, zzz. So these are all the letters from A to Z. I hope that you will practice all these sounds. Drop your comment in the comment box. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.